Wake up super early in the AM, so exhausted, yawning, only 1 hour of sleep, now it's the morning. Big ambition to make it, cause I'm striving to slaughter. Missing mama cause she's on the other side of the border. Plus I'm an internet celebrity, despite that I'm a good guy. Waking up to a beautiful woman texting me. Hop up in the shower, brush my bangs to the right. I'm getting ready for another normal day in my life. Got some business out with Phillip, lunch with Baby J, and now I'll turn into the station, hearing sus spinning on the radio, yelling, making noises, neighbors think that I'm annoying. I'm a man inside this body of a boy, so baby, welcome to the life of a kid up in the burbs. A kid that's so annoying, he'll be getting on your nerves, but he just wouldn't have it any other way. Every day's Pride Day, every day's Pride Day, Pride Day the third day, every day's Pride Day, Pride Day the third day, every day's Pride Day, Pride Day the third day, every day's Pride Day, Pride Day every day. Fame everywhere cause I be holy crap, no, in another country, still missing my homies back home, but they know I'm coming soon. They're just happy I console them. I just tell them don't worry, I'll be back before you know it. Never sleeping it out, I'm in the studio all day and night, working while it's dark outside until we see that ray of light. Sleeping ain't an option to this job that I'm pursuing. I'd give away the cash or any object for this music, cause I know this is my passion through the better or worse. Drink Arizona green tea so I can quench up my thirst. Man, I don't work for this position, you ain't messing me up inside. Every day's my day, so you ain't telling me otherwise. Drinking Arizona snap, saxophone his head, never having any sleep, he's in the studio instead, but he just wouldn't